Hey everybody, just finishing up the review video. So on this one, you've got a paragraph. They say A is perpendicular to B, so that means the 90. B is perpendicular to C, so that's the 90. C is perpendicular to D, which is the 90. And so what can you figure out about A and D? Well, A is this way and D is this way, so that would have to be perpendicular. Now, this says parallel, that says parallel. Both of these say perpendicular. So they're saying A and C are parallel because they're both perpendicular to B. And then since D is perpendicular to one of them, it must be perpendicular to the other. Now, this one also says A is perpendicular to D. And then this is A and C are parallel. And this is D and B are perpendicular. Um, well, D and B are perpendicular. But here's the thing, because they are both parallel to street A, I don't think so. A is this vertical one. A and B are perpendicular, not parallel. And so, though, that's why, like, these two answer choices you need to read carefully. Okay, on this one, um, you have a ladder and you have your rung and your sides. Now, what they're giving you on mine is the rungs are parallel, and the top one is perpendicular to one of the sides. So then, because of that, all of them have to be perpendicular to that side. It's called the perpendicular transversal theorem um, because this would be the transversal, and all those would be 90 degrees. And then on this one, they're going to give you different combinations, but I would just draw it out. A perpendicular to B. Okay. And then B parallel to C. And C perpendicular to D. And so that means about how A and D relate, they would have to be parallel. Now look at your reasons. Because A is perpendicular to C and C is perpendicular to D. Um, okay. And then because A is parallel to C, no, A is not parallel to C. A is perpendicular to C. So read your answer choices carefully. Okay. So that should be all for this one. Um, I would write it out, like draw it, and hope that helps. Have a good one.